Okay, listen here. Chapter 4, short answer, question number 1. Okay. State the two conditions that must be fulfilled for the work to be done. Also return the factors on which the work done depends. First question का answer है. Take your textbook, page number 58. This is the answer. The force must be applied on an object. That is the first answer. Second point, the object must move in the direction of the applied force. So these are the two conditions to the force depending. Clear? Then एक और भी question है same question में. What are the two conditions and what are the factors depends on it? So force and the objects moving in this applied direction and depends on page number 58. Magnitude of the applied force and distance moved by the object in the direction of applied force. First question answer mila. These 4 points is the answer of first question. These 2 points and these 2 points also. Clear everyone? Okay. Then question number 2. State whether the work is done by the gravitational force of a sun on the earth or not. Why? State whether the work is done by the gravitational force of the sun on the earth or not. Why? So your answer is page number 60. Page number 60. The earth revolves around the sun. The force of attraction on the earth by sun is always perpendicular to the direction of motion of the earth. Hence, no work is said to be done by the gravitational force of the sun on the earth. Answer mila sabko? Okay. This paragraph is the answer. Clear everyone? Question number 2. Short answer, question number 2. Then short answer, question number 3. Question is, how is work related to energy? Define 1 joule of energy. I repeat the question. How is the work related to energy? Define 1 joule of energy. Listen here. Your answer is energy. देखो page number 62, work and energy relation. Your answer is, we need energy to do work. We need energy to do. Page number 62. To do more work, we need more energy. Thus, energy and work are correlated. Energy must be supplied to an object so that it can do work. समझ गया? Answer मिला? Let's get in. Everyone is get the answer? And page number 62. Page number 62, work energy relation. Starting your answer, we need energy to do work. And ending word is, it can do work. At the end of the paragraph, it can do work. Then one more answer है definition of joule. 1 joule definition is also asking. That answer is page number 60. Page number 60. 1 joule of work is said to be. देखते हैं क्या definition of joule. 1 joule of work is said to be done when a force of 1 Newton moves an object through a distance of 1 meter in the direction of applied force. Answer मिला सबको? You got the answer? Okay. Then question number 4. Question number 3 तक completed. Then question number 4. Define mechanical energy. What are the 2 kinds of mechanical energy? Give one example of each. Define mechanical energy, kinds of mechanical energy, and example. So your answer, get in. mechanical energy. Page number 63. Write the definition. Energy possessed by the object due to its position or state of motion is called mechanical energy. लिखते थे क्या? Definition लिखते थे mechanical energy का?
Yes, miss.
You mark it. Okay. Two types of mechanical energies are kinetic energy KE and potential energy PE. Got it? Examples: moving car, an arrow on a stretched bow, an oscillating pendulum, and moving ceiling fan. All are the examples of mechanical energy. Underline the examples, please. You got the answer? Please come and sit down here. You just go anywhere and come back, and to please order to me. Okay, that's good. Example: ceiling fans, moving car, stretched arrow bow, and oscillating pendulum.
Yes, miss. पूरा लिखना है कि मैकेनिकल एनर्जी.
All are the examples of mechanical energy. Next, question number 5. Question number 4, got it? Question number 5. Differentiate between power and energy. Power and energy. And page number 71. Page number 71 nahi hai, page number 70. Table is given here. Table number 4.2. Power and energy. That is your answer. You got the answer? Page number 70. Table number 4.2. That table is your answer. Differentiate between power and energy. So short answer question is completed. You got it, everyone? Next, long answers question. First question: what is potential energy? Describe its two types with the help of example. So question is: define the potential energy, describe the types and examples. So your answer, page number potential energy. Am I right? Page number 64S. Potential energy definition. The energy possessed by a object due to its position or configuration. Configuration means shape and size. Is called potential energy. That you should write. That is the statement. Then after that, you should write first type, elastic potential energy. The energy possessed by the object when it is stretched or compressed or bent is called elastic potential energy. You should write the example. Rubbed sling in the form of elastic potential energy. And another examples, structured rubber sling. You underline the example also. Second one, second point, gravitational potential energy. The energy possessed by the object due to its position above the ground is called as gravitational potential energy. Example, raised hammer. And other examples, drivers the nail into the wood. Other example, was water stored in a dam. Clear, everyone? Then other examples you wanted, check out the page number 64 and write it as water stored in a dam and compressing the string, compressing spring. These are the examples. Underline it, everyone? Okay. Then question number 2, long answer, question number 2. Derive the expression for gravitational potential energy and write the factors on which gravitational potential energy depends. So expression for gravitational potential energy, page number 65. You got the expression for gravitational potential energy? You should write on this point onwards, F equal to mg, D equal to h. So W equal to F into D. So W equal to mgh. You got the expression? This is the expression of gravitational potential energy. You got it? Then इसके बाद बाकी भी है सर, मैं बोलूँगा. Write the expression and write the sentence also. Work done is lifting the object is stored in its gravitational potential energy. This sentence also. Then after that, what are the factors depending on it? First answer is mass of the object. And draw this diagram. First depending factor is next page, page number 68, 66. Mass of the object and draw the diagram. And you should write mass increases. Greater the mass, potential energy stored in more. You should write the sentence. Mass of the object. Greater the mass of the object, more will be the potential energy stored in it. Underline please everyone. Next answer, height at which the object is placed. The height increases, potential energy also increases. The height, greater the height at which the object is placed, more is the potential energy stored in it. Mil gaya? Okay. The next question, long answer, question number 3. How is energy consumed in a roller coaster? Describe with the help of a diagram. You should draw the diagrams also. Yes. Question number 3. How is the energy conserved in a roller coaster? Describe with the help of a, please keep quiet, diagram. Page number 68. Draw the diagram and write this explanation. Point number 7. Draw this diagram and write this explanation. Clear everyone? Page number 68. Point number 7. Roller coaster का diagram देख रहे हैं ना? You can to write the full answer. समझ गया? Because long answer question है. We want to write everything. I just reduce you. Listen here. You should write like that. At the position P, potential position P कहाँ है देखो? At the position P, first position, kinetic energy is maximum. Potential energy is maximum. Kinetic energy 0. You can write like that. At the position Q, potential energy is 0. Kinetic energy maximum. At the position R, potential energy is present and kinetic energy is also present. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
And इसके साथ you should write like that. Okay, that's the given data is given here. Energy is conservative. You can write one sentence also with them. Energy is conservative. You should write that sentence please. You can write one sentence with the answer. Energy is conservative. Energy is conservative.
Conservative.
Conservative. CONSERVATION. Conservative. Okay, next last question. Question number 3 is मिल गया ना सबको? Question number 4. Differentiate between kinetic and potential energy. Can you given the examples? Show the conversion of potential energy to kinetic energy. Differentiate between kinetic and potential energy. Page number 69, table number 4.1. Table मिला सबको? Then this question का answer, this is the first answer and one more question इसके साथ है. Give an example to show the conversion of potential energy to kinetic energy. So example of potential energy to kinetic energy. So you can to write the example is the water dam example. Page number 68. Point number 5. You should draw the diagram and write it the explanation. Clear everyone? Fifth one. These all datas are. This ball one, stretched arrow one, the spring one. All are the examples of potential to kinetic. I am just giving you an example that is for dam. Anyone you can write. Okay, no problem. So chapter 4 question answers is completed everyone. Okay, thank you.